Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi and a hotspot at the same time. First, understand that most standard devices, like your smartphone, are designed to perform one network function at a time. They can either connect to an existing Wi-Fi network or create a mobile hotspot using cellular data. This is a fundamental design choice for efficient network management and resource allocation on a single device. The primary reason you generally cannot use Wi-Fi and a hotspot simultaneously on one device is how they operate. When your phone acts as a hotspot, it shares its cellular data connection. Conversely, when it connects to Wi-Fi, it uses that Wi-Fi for its internet. These are distinct processes, often managed by separate internal components, preventing concurrent operation on a single device. Effective bankroll management is paramount for any roulette player. Before you even place your first chip, establish a strict budget for your session and stick to it. A good rule of thumb is to never wager more than 1 or 2% of your total bankroll on any single spin. Always be aware of the table's minimum and maximum betting limits, as these can significantly impact your strategy. Most importantly, know when to stop, whether you are ahead or have reached your loss limit. Implementing these methods offers several benefits. You can extend the reach of a single Wi-Fi connection, allowing more devices to connect. This also creates a more secure, private network for your personal use, even when utilizing public Wi-Fi. Always remember to monitor your data usage, particularly if your hotspot relies on a cellular plan, to avoid unexpected charges or throttling.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.